New place. My guy. Tun, tun, turun, tun, 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 turun, tun, tun, tun. J'aime trop la musique de combat de ce monde. Elle me fait penser au premier trailer de Kingdom Hearts 3. Oui, bah écoute. Bam. Pam param pam param param pam parararam. Ok. Oh, pourquoi on dirait que je peux aller là-bas? C'est bizarre. Attendez, je vais vraiment tout visiter là? Ah oui, parce que d'accord, je suis venu de là-bas. D'accord, j'ai compris. Okidoki. Wouhou! Waouh, le bois. Le bois joli. Ah, salut. Il est où le bouton? Ah, voilà. Parfait. J'en ai pris deux, je suis con. Oui. Trop bien qu'on puisse faire ça. Ok.
Huh? Hmm?
What's that?
Oh. Heartless! What do you think they're up to?
Mais non.
Look, on that branch! The
Ouais,
Heartless
c'est ça
have
que
him
j'avais en tête.
surrounded. Oh no!
Le pauvre petit rat. J'arrive, souris soul. Ah, tous les fruits et légumes ont disparu. Mais du coup, faire quoi avec cette branche? Oh, waouh. Ok. Le jeu est tellement complet pour l'instant, c'est fou. Ah, du coup, seconde forme maintenant, est-ce que c'est skin KH2? Attention, on va voir, on va voir. Oh ouais. Oh, ouais, il est trop beau comme ça. Formidable. Le meilleur truc au monde. Si vous voulez que je vous dise. Pam param pam param param pam parararam pam param. Allez, on va taper un Aquillon.
Gosh, they're not making it easy. I know what to
Méga splash. On a pas encore fait celui-là. Oh, c'est trop bien. Oh, c'est trop bien. Oh, oh. Oh, ça garde la traînée. C'est cool. Oh, dingue. Oh. Ah, ça rend le fun, hein. Ah voilà, ils ont fait méga splash. Magnifique. Merci Donald. Bah, de rien.
Well, take
Tout le
care.
plaisir est pour nous.
Oh, what is... Whoa.
Pam 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 pam
Whoa.
pam 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 pam
Lucky.
pam.
That little feller's parked on your head.
Huh? Would you cut that? Whoa. Huh?
You know, maybe he wants you to pick up the fruit for him.
Okay, that's fine, but I can do it by myself. I just need to collect the fruit.
Ouah, les poils sont trop bien faits. Et là,
Right.
il respire et tout.
So, what are you gonna do with all this anyway? Well, okay. You be careful going home.
See you around. Next
Bah, c'était
stop,
super
the
cool.
mansion.
Oh, ça fait déjà 1h40 que je joue. Et c'est bien, il se passe
That
beaucoup de
little
choses.
feller sure seemed happy.
Yeah.
Je peux faire le gros là. Aïe.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
On sait que si je tape une seconde forme... Waouh. On sait que si je tape une seconde forme et qu'il y a une cinématique, il reste en seconde forme pendant la cinématique. Nous allons voir ça. On va pas faire les combats, on vient d'en faire un. Waouh, c'est le manoir, manoir.
That building up ahead.
C'est le manoir qui manoir. Très très manoirant. Regardez. C'est vraiment très très beau. Vite, déclenche la cinématique. Voilà. Et dis-moi qu'il a la tenue. Oh non, dommage. La la la. La la la. Oh là là. We saw him.
What do you think, guys? This place is even creepier than I remember.
Oh, chill, plutôt
Well,
chill.
they do say that this mansion is haunted.
Hey there. Thanks for the heart attack.
Oh, what? Did I scare you?
Our bad.
So how did it go? Did you get any leads?
Nope, afraid not. The asking around thing was a total bust.
Yep. This old mansion is our last hope.
You guys ready?
Another Twilight Town awaits.
Yeah.
Je suis en extase à chaque seconde. La la la.
Here we go.
Oh, c'est l'ordinateur que Roxas il a cassé. Enfin, pas celui-là, l'autre.
The password was,
Oui,
sea
c'est
salt ice cream.
ça. Je me souviens.
Okay, I'm in. Let's get that transporter working. Oh man, the transporter's been protected.
Protected from what?
I guess from us? We can't use it to get to the other Twilight Town.
Why not? It worked before. We sent Sora there.
Well, that was then. And this is now.
And there's no other way?
None that I know.
Great.
Hello, Sora. You wouldn't happen to be in front of a computer.
Huh? Well, yeah, but how'd you know that?
I was tinkering with Ansem's computer. You know, to decrypt the code that was left in it. And I noticed that someone had logged in from another terminal. I figured it might be you.
Oh, yeah, the log terminal. Oh, and what? You do?
I know I haven't got a clue.
Then, who was it that logged in?
Oh, hi there. This is Pence. I'm the one who logged into the computer.
J'aime trop.
Good. As long as it's a user that we know we can trust.
Yup. But I'm kind of stuck here. One of the programs is protected, so I can't run it.
Which program?
The transporter to the other Twilight Town.
It's the only way to find Roxas. You gotta help us.
Oh, pardon.
Another Twilight Town? And a transporter? Okay. A virtual town inside the computer made of data.
A datascape, fellas. Mm-hmm.
Tout qui
We've
connecte.
seen
Oh,
one.
c'est
That's
quoi
what
ce
we
truc
used
rose là?
once to investigate Jiminy's journal.
Ok.
Maybe I can do something.
Pence, let's get a network set up.
Je crois que je suis dans une réalité alternative. Il y a un carré rose qui vient d'apparaître sur un de mes meubles. Genre un carré de lumière. C'est très étrange. Je vous mets une photo. Bah ok. Je sais pas d'où ça vient. C'est pas un reflet. C'est juste il y a un carré rose qui vient d'apparaître devant mes yeux. Ok. Bon d'accord. Pourquoi pas.
My address here is...
Trop con.
Okay, sharing is enabled.
Huh? Were you able to fix it?
Now that our two computers have been successfully networked together, I can take control of the terminal there and change the privileges.
And Roxas?
Yes. For the virtual world to be completely realized, Ansem the Wise
would have included Roxas's full data in the construction, meaning somewhere on your machine there's a log of that data that... Basically, we can decipher Ansem's code more quickly, and we can analyze the virtual Twilight Town while
Il a
we're at
simplifié.
it.
Okay, great. I can't computer, so do that.
Glad you're following along. Don't worry, we'll handle it.
Chip and Dale will be helping me out here on this end. I'll call you back as soon as we know anything more.
Thanks.
Oh, before I forget, a bit of troubling news.
It's about one of the organization's former members. You knew him as Vexen. But to us, he was Ansem's apprentice Evan. He was recompleted like the rest of us.
On le connaît pas nous. Enfin, on se souvient plus.
Hadn't regained consciousness yet. Then, sometime after Lee left, Evan vanished.
Alias and Dylan, the two you knew as Lexius and Zaldin, they went out looking for him, but
Ugh.
he's just gone. And I'm starting to worry.
Oh? You think he's on their side?
I think it's a real possibility. He's a devious researcher. You should be careful.
All right. Thanks.
Oh no! We got work! I totally forgot!
Really? But what about all this?
Hey, both are important. We're gonna need some cash to go to the beach. Also, don't forget the pretzels. Gotta buy 4 now.
En anglais, elle dit bretzel.
Oh, I get it.
He's thinking ahead.
Later, Sora.
Yeah. See ya, Hayner.
Tu vas
Bye,
taper
Donald.
des abeilles,
Goofy.
tu vas taper dans une balle sans pour qu'elle rebondisse, ou tu vas taper un chariot,
And since I'm manning the
tu vas faire du
computers here,
skate et coller
you
des
guys are in
affiches.
charge of earning my share.
No pretzel for pence.
Je suis sûr, ils vont en date secret. Je peux pas revenir dedans.
So,
Désolé,
what's
j'étais
next?
en train de penser. Mais je vais être dedans. Avec tout ce que le jeu il offre, je suis un petit peu greedy.
So, you think you can bring Roxas back?
Oh, je connais cette voix. Oh 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 oh. Ouah.
Awesome.
Ouah. Ouah.
Semnis.
Roxas should never have existed in the first place. What you seek is impossible.
Roxas does exist. His heart's inside my heart.
And in the unlikely event you did manage to separate the two, where is it you think you can put his heart?
Ouais, pas faux.
Well, Roxas used to live in the other Twilight Town, right? So, I'm just gonna put him back there.
Do you even realize what you are saying? The other Twilight Town is just Data.
A heart can live anywhere, even inside Data. There are hearts all around us.
Ansem and Zemnis used to be part of the same person, right?
C'est vrai, comment vous avez fait
But
vous?
look, now they exist separately just fine. If they can do it, then I don't see any reason why you and Roxas can't find a way.
Oh, yeah!
You tell him, Captain Goofy!
Dingo il est posé, il va leur casser la gueule.
Nothing would please us more than Roxas's return, of course.
You wish? He'll never answer to you again.
Still so blind. A nobody is what's left behind when one gives his heart to darkness. There is only one way to bring Roxas back, which is for you to give your heart up as well. Sora, have you finally decided to call upon the darkness?
What?
Go on then. The shadows are never out of reach.
Ils ont trop de flow. Et vous voyez là, Ansem, avec la tenue d'organisation, je le trouve beau. Quand c'était Riku, j'aimais pas. Enfin, quand Riku ressemblait à ça.
Now, set your heart free.
Wait!
Moi, j'ai trop hâte de vous casser la gueule. Ouais, il est trop stylé son bouclier. Je me demande qui lui a mis son bouclier à Dingo.
Not if it helps him.
Et il tourne en plus. La classe. Oh. Putain, ils font mal. Ba, pam, pam, parada. Pour l'instant, seconde forme. Du coup, c'est plus les fusions maintenant, c'est les formes. Un peu comme on avait dans Burst by Steel. Des formes qui durent un certain temps. Il n'y a plus la barre de fusion. Je pensais que je peux avoir genre un... Non, c'est Arcane en dernier, ok. Oh, c'est trop bien d'avoir genre Ragnarok. J'aurais bien aimé que ça reste quand même un dessin en bas à droite là dans la barre de vie, mais bon, c'est bien aussi.
Herc said... He said, with all my heart. Okay, then all my heart it is. I'm getting Roxas out. Are you with me? Donald? Goofy?
You betcha!
I don't know what Ansem and Zemnis want, but I think we better tell the others to watch out.
Okay then, let's head back to town.
Après, j'aime trop les transitions from cinématique to gameplay comme ça là. La lumière est vraiment tellement bien gérée dans ce jeu, c'est vraiment un peu fou. Ah, des singes. Oui, il y avait déjà des singes avant, je sais pas pourquoi je fais extasié. Non, parce que là, je sais pas, ils sont apparus sur les arbres et tout, j'aime bien. Ah, il y a un coffre. Il était là avant le coffre? Je l'avais pas vu. Un booster PC en plus. Délicieux. Délicieusement délicieux. Ok. Wouhou. Oh non, ça va faire 2 heures, je vais bientôt devoir m'arrêter. Ça va être un enfant qui a que 2 heures de console par jour. Pam param pam param param pam pararam pam param param.
Well, bless my bagpipes. It was you laddies who rescued my chef.
Mais non! J'étais pas sûr de la voix, mais
Wait,
si, c'est bon.
Didn't he sell ice cream in Hollow Bastion?
Si, il faisait que ça.
But Uncle Scrooge here is what you might call a world traveler.
Cool. How are you, Uncle Scrooge?
Oh, hello, Sora. You're looking hale and hearty. I heard you were on another grand adventure with these two. I hope Donald isn't making a menace of himself.
Why did you have to say that?
So, Uncle Scrooge, what's that you were saying about a chef?
Oh, right. The chef of me bistro here wanted to show you his appreciation. So, he baked this for you.
Mais non, il nous a donné un gâteau du gros.
What is it?
Wow.
Cake! The whole cake? It's for us? Huh?
Settle down. The chef wants you to know it's not a cake, but a tart of fruit.
He does?
Why keep it under my hat? May I introduce Little Chef?
Oh, it's you.
Uncle Scrooge, you opened the bistro and tried
C'est trop cool!
It all started a little while ago when I was enjoying one of the best meals of my life. And when I asked to speak to the chef, I met this wee genius. As it turns out, he wanted to expand his culinary horizons. So I thought, that's an opportunity. And I financed the whole operation. Ooh, I think he wants to cook some more for you. Fetch some ingredients, especially anything unusual.
That'll be fun. Kinda like a scavenger hunt.
And the more the better. The mark of a truly great chef is creating masterpieces out of anything. You can start right here in town.
We'll do anything to try more of Little Chef's food.
That tart sure did look scrumptiously delicious.
Okay, the ingredient hunt is on.
Ah. Eh bien, on va sauvegarder les amis. Et on va s'arrêter là. Il y a tellement de choses que j'ai fait tellement de trucs. Y a pas un point de sauvegarde par contre? Oh no. Ah mais on est en mission là. Ah c'est con, je peux pas m'arrêter tout de suite les gars. Ah bah c'est dommage. Donc on doit chercher les ingrédients. Ok. Des crêpes. Non des cèpes, pardon. Ok. Est-ce que je peux en prendre plusieurs? Non, je peux taper qu'une seule fois sur chaque truc. La 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 la. La 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 la. 3.
We'll be needing a wee bit.
Ouais, je vais voir ce que tu me disais. Ce que tu me dirais. Ah là. Basket fruit. Fruit basket. Des poubelles. Peut-être. Là encore un autre basket fruit. Dans les égouts on risque pas de trouver de la nourriture. I guess.
Hope we find some ingredients around here.
Oui, là. Là. Et bah là. Parfait. Nickel. C'est écrit en français, j'aime trop.
Hey! Guys! Huh? Hayner! Olette!
Hey, boss. Down with the posters.
Ah ouais, vous travaillez pour lui.
Good work, kids.
You guys work for Uncle Scrooge here at the bistro?
Do we?
He gave us a short job putting up these special posters. Mr. McDuck's hosting an open-air film festival in the courtyard. Cool, huh?
Trop bien.
Oh,
Trop
Sora.
cool.
Hold your phone up to the poster.
Un QR code, on va scanner un QR code.
There, you've just downloaded a promo game.
Mais il y a tellement de trucs!
You get on this, Uncle Scrooge?
Of course, laddie. Provide a bit of entertainment and then give folks a nice, cozy place to relax. Like my bistro here. They'll all be happy and hungry and eager to spend their money.
C'est trop bien.
Gorsh, he sure is canny. I always wondered how he keeps customers coming into his businesses over and over.
Oh yeah, I'm no business guy, but I sure wouldn't want to be one of Uncle Scrooge's competitors.
Seriously.
Oh, right. I need to warn you guys.
Why?
Well, those creepy crawly things might come back for more. So stay on your toes.
Sure. But don't we have you guys to take care of him for us?
You have to leave again?
Mm-hmm.
That's our job.
but we'll definitely be back.
When you gonna slow down?
Sorry. Just do me a favor.
Well, what is it? Don't make it too tough.
I know how Roxas feels to be lost, but Donald and Goofy, Kyrie, brought me back by wishing with all their hearts. So, I was hoping the three of you would do the same and wish for Roxas.
What? That's it? That's no favor. We'll all wish. I'm wishing.
Yeah. Me and Pence too.
Thanks.
Aren't you making it a little too obvious?
We were instructed to guide him.
Yes. Just look at them. They wouldn't get far if we did not spell it out. Huh. Fair enough. But let's not forget how many times Sora still managed to rain on our parade.
If he wavers from the path we lay, we destroy him.
MDR.
But in that case,
MDR.
we'll have to find ourselves another vessel.
That is why we never have just one iron in the fire.
Ok, on testera ça au prochain truc. Wow! Trop cool. Ok. Bon. Sauvegardons. Si vous le voulez bien. Bah, c'était super comme deuxième session. C'était trop bien. Hein, j'aime trop. C'est le meilleur jeu déjà. Et il y a... Au début, je pensais que j'allais pas retrouver forcément la vibe de KH2 au début de KH2, mais complètement en fait. Enfin, je la retrouve. C'est sûr que c'est différent. Oh, il y a un vrai intérieur à l'intérieur. Dingue. Mais j'aime trop. J'espère que vous prenez autant de plaisir que j'en prends. Sur ce, eh bien, je vous dis à la prochaine. Je vous laisse. C'était Sirio. Je vous fais des gros bisous. Je vous dis cuisine. Ok. Je vous dis bisous, bonne nuit et à demain. Bye bye.